5 Best Android Tips and Tricks. Enable dark mode. This not only looks sleek and modern, but it can also help save battery life on devices with OLED displays. To enable dark mode, go to Settings, Display Theme and select Dark. Take advantage of Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a powerful tool that can help you with a variety of tasks, from setting reminders to answering questions. To access it, simply hold down the Home button or say, "Hey Google." Use the Do Not Disturb mode to silence notifications. If you're in a meeting or just need some peace and quiet, the Do Not Disturb mode can help. When this mode is enabled, all notifications will be silenced and you won't be disturbed by any sounds or vibrations. To enable this, go to Settings, Sound, Do Not Disturb. Use Android's built-in file manager. Don't want to download a third-party file manager? Android has a built-in one that you can use to view, delete, or share files stored on your device. To access it, go to Settings, Storage, Explore. Install a third-party keyboard. The default Android keyboard is serviceable, but there are many third-party options that offer additional features such as swipe typing, GIF support, and customizable themes. Some popular options include Gboard, SwiftKey, and Flexi.